Hey, Don here. Let's have a quick look around Intricut Rob's shop and see what we got for tooling and stuff that we pulled out. And of course, this is the Cincinnati #2 tool and cutter grinder that he has. He is asking $1,750 for it, but he will take any reasonable offer. Now, keep in mind, this is a working machine. The table's in good shape. Smooth as silk. It's just a good machine, no doubt about it. Now let's see if we can even fire it up here. I think that's it. Quiet. Okay. No, keep in mind, it's a tool and cutter grinder and they're often used without wheel guards. It's got wheels here and the guards that should be on there when you can possibly have them on there. Okay, now we'll go over to the other table over here. Kind of have a look around at what a plastic mold shop looks like. Some of the machine tools are gone, and uniquely, the tooling for the cutter grinder is all intact here. Got the train out there, good old train. This is Ellis dividing head, still sitting here, absolutely complete. And the K.O. Lee tool and cutter grinding head. Now, the way the cutter grinder over there is set up, it's got the magnetic chuck on it, so it can be used for surface grinding. And so if you're grinding cutters, you would have this on there, or possibly this Walla Walla air spindle. And there's another one here, a Herrig too, for grinding end mills. And this here, 5C. Now the work head is 5C. It's got satisfying sound. Micrometer finger, adjustable finger here, 24. It's just very, very nice. It's got the drawbar here, 5C call it. 5C horizontal vertical fixture with indexing, 24 positions. So I don't know if it has degrees on it. It's got 5C call it there. Then it's got the threads here for like the 5C pot chucks. And this is a grinding fixture here for wheel type cutters, horizontal milling machine. You can grind them on a surface grinder. Got a little diamond dresser there. And then there's this, where'd that go? Let me get it, it's down here. To get that up there. This arm goes on there. You can dress your wheel with this too. Okay, those two go together. 5C Spindex. Air spindle, some dressers here, nice diamond dressers. Here's your basic 5C collet fixture, horizontal vertical collet fixture. And here's a 6-jaw grinding chuck. I've always wanted to try one, I never have. Now this is really a cool fixture. It's a tap grinding fixture. See that? That's how those work. And it's got all the cams in here for right hand, left hand taps, and the different flutes. So, okay, right here we have a Kalamazoo type spacer, I guess, and it's indexable and goes at angles. I kind of like this one. I've never seen one so small. Usually I've seen these that are quite large. Now, this is very interesting. I'd sure like to try this out, but I probably won't get the chance. It's a centerless grinding attachment for a surface grinder. And put some marks on that, and you can maybe see that, how this is the wheels that rotate, and this is the regulating wheel here for centerless grinding. That is really smooth and nice. Has a case for it over here. Okay, let's, I think I covered everything up on top. And here we have a grinding vise, and this box is another in-mill air spindle. This is a 2-jaw chuck. And I'm not seeing a brand on it. I'll have to look. See if I can find something. There's something written on there. Made in Poland. It's probably a bison. That's a very nice chuck. And speaking of chucks, here it is, an 8-inch bison 6-jaw that's been hardly used at all. Very, very nice. Gosh, that's nice. I'd like to have that on my axle, but it's a little too fancy. I've got an older 6-inch on there that's working good. These are very nice. I like them. This is kind of what I use when parts get bigger that you don't want to mar and stuff with 5C collets. And here's a working complete set of 5C collets right here. He's using in the shop here, so you know he keeps these covered up. He's still keeping the stuff in good shape. Okay, I think that's everything. Got that grinding vise. This is the 8-inch Yuasa, but it's called News, as before they called it Yuasa. Horizontal vertical rotary table with the dividing plates. This is really just nice quality. This isn't it's made in Japan. It says it all. This is a quality piece like this other stuff up here. This here's a vacuum chuck. Okay. So, okay, I'll call this good and we'll go over to the other tooling.